Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to share with you 12 best things to do in and around Lake Como. This video is based on our fun trip to this beautiful place. Make sure to watch until the end because we have a special something for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing travel experiences. And check out the links in the description for cheap flights, hotels, cars, and more. Before we start, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any of our future videos. Number 12. Take a day trip from Milan. Located just 40 minutes from the bustling city of Milan, Lake Como is a perfect day trip destination from the city. If you are staying in Milan, you can easily take a train to Como San Giovanni station and spend a day exploring the lake. There are also several tour options available that include transportation and a guided tour of the lake. You can visit the picturesque towns of Bellagio, Varenna, or Bellagio, and enjoy stunning views of the lake and mountains. The journey to Lake Como is truly scenic and a great way to experience the Italian countryside. The train ride takes you through charming towns and rolling hills, and you can even get a glimpse of the lake from the train window. Once you arrive in Como, you can rent a boat or take a ferry to explore the lake further. Number 11. Go shopping in Como Town. Como Town itself is a shopper's paradise with a wide range of boutiques, shops, and markets to explore. From high-end designer stores to local artisan shops, you'll find something for everyone. The main shopping street is via Vittorio Emanuele II, which is lined with all kinds of shops. You can also head to the historic center of the city to explore the charming cobblestone streets and discover hidden boutiques and vintage shops. For those looking for luxury goods, there are several high-end designer stores in Como Town, including Prada, Gucci, and Bulgari. These stores offer everything from clothing and accessories to home furnishings and beauty products. Local artisan shops are also worth exploring as they sell unique and handmade items that you won't find anywhere else. If you're in the market for fresh produce or gourmet food items, then be sure to check out the markets in Como Town. The weekly Mercato Coperto offers a wide variety of local and regional products, including fresh fruit, vegetables, cheese, and meat. You can also sample delicious street foods such as pizza, gelato, and pastries. Whether you're looking for luxury goods, handmade items, or fresh produce, you'll find it all in Como Town. Number 10. Visit Villa del Balbianello. Villa del Balbianello is a stunning lakeside villa that dates back to the 18th century. It was once home to Cardinal Angelo Maria family Sessi, who commissioned the construction of the villa in 1787. The villa is now open to the public as a museum, and you can explore its beautiful gardens, terraces, and lakeside promenade. The villa is also known for its art collection, which includes paintings by Canaletto Guardi and Francesco Zuccarelli. In addition to its cultural significance, Villa del Balbianello is also famous for its role in several Hollywood films, including Casino Royale and Star Wars. Episode 2. If you're a fan of classic literature, then you might recognize the villa from its mention in the book and movie adaptation of A Month in the Country by J.L. Carr. Do you want to miss this opportunity to explore one of Italy's most beautiful villas and learn more about its rich history? Number 9. Take a cooking class. If you love food and wine, then taking a cooking class in Lake Como is an absolute must. You can choose from a variety of classes that teach you how to make traditional Italian dishes with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. The classes are usually held in small groups, so you'll have plenty of opportunities to get hands-on experience and ask questions. After the class, you'll get to enjoy the fruits of your labor and savor the delicious meal that you've just prepared. Plus, you'll learn about the history and culture of the region through its cuisine. With so many amazing restaurants and food markets in Lake Como, you'll have access to some of the freshest and most flavorful ingredients. You'll also get to explore the local wineries and sample some of the region's best wines. Number 8. Go hiking or biking. With its stunning natural beauty, Lake Como is a great destination for outdoor enthusiasts. You can go hiking or biking along the lake shoreline or in the surrounding mountains. There are plenty of trails to choose from, so you can select the difficulty level and length that works best for you. The views are absolutely breathtaking, so be sure to bring a camera. If you want to explore the area around Lake Como, then consider renting a car or scooter. This will give you the freedom to travel at your own pace and explore off-the-beaten-path destinations. You can drive through picturesque towns and villages, visit hidden beaches, and take in the stunning mountain scenery. If you don't have a driver's license or are uncomfortable driving in Italy, then don't worry. there are other ways to get around. You can take a ferry or boat tour to explore the lake, or hire a private boat for a more personalized experience. Number 7. Relax at Lido di Como. Lido di Como is a beautiful beach located on the shore of Lake Como. It's the perfect place to relax and enjoy the stunning views of the lake and mountains. The beach is surrounded by lush greenery and offers plenty of space for swimming, sunbathing, and picnicking. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also rent a paddleboard or kayak and explore the lake from a different perspective. The water is crystal clear and perfect for a refreshing dip on a hot day. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some dolphins swimming in the distance. Overall, Lido di Como is a must-visit destination if you're looking for a peaceful and picturesque spot to relax. Number 6. Visit Villa Carlotta. Villa Carlotta is a stunning lakeside villa that dates back to the 17th century.
Ow.
It's located in the town of Tremezzo and is known for its beautiful gardens and art collection. The gardens are a masterpiece of landscape design and feature a wide variety of plants and flowers from around the world. You can stroll through the manicured paths and admire the breathtaking views of the lake and mountains. Villa Carlotta also houses a fascinating collection of paintings and sculptures by renowned artists such as Antonio Canova and John Constable. If you're interested in art and history, then this villa is definitely worth a visit. In addition to its cultural significance, Villa Carlotta is also famous for its connection to the legendary composer Giuseppe Verdi. He spent his final years here, and the villa now features a museum dedicated to his life and work. Number 5. Take a boat tour. Taking a boat tour is one of the best ways to experience the beauty of Lake Como. You can choose from a variety of tours that offer different routes and experiences. A popular option is the ferry tour, which takes you to some of the lake's most picturesque towns and villages. You can hop on and off the ferry and explore each destination at your own pace. Another great option is a private boat tour, which gives you a more personalized experience. You can hire a captain to take you around the lake and show you all of its hidden gems. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even rent a boat and explore the lake on your own. No matter which option you choose, be sure to bring a camera, as the views of the lake and mountains are absolutely breathtaking. Number 4. Have fun at Lake Oasis. Lake Oasis is a fun and relaxing place to spend a day in Lake Como. It's a man-made lake that was created in the 1970s and is now a popular spot for families and couples. The water is crystal clear and perfect for swimming and sunbathing. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can rent a pedal boat or kayak and explore the lake's many coves and inlets. There are also plenty of picnic tables and barbecue grills if you want to have a meal by the water. Lake Oasis is also home to a variety of water slides, including a giant tube slide and a kamikaze slide for the thrill seekers. If you're looking for a fun and relaxing day in Lake Como, then be sure to check out Lake Oasis. Number 3. Explore the town of Bellagio. Bellagio is a beautiful town located on the peninsula at the center of Lake Como. It's known for its stunning views of the lake and mountains and its picturesque streets lined with shops, restaurants, and hotels. Bellagio is also famous for its gardens, which feature a variety of plants and flowers from around the world. If you're looking for a romantic getaway or a peaceful retreat, then Bellagio is definitely worth a visit. Number 2. Have fun at Aquafon Water Park. Aquafon Water Park is a fun and exciting place to spend a day in Lake Como. It features a variety of water slides, pools, and other attractions for all ages. If you're looking for a thrill, then be sure to check out the kamikaze slide or the black hole slide. If you're traveling with kids, then the kiddie pool and water playground are sure to be a hit. In addition to the water slides and pools, Aquafon Water Park also has plenty of picnic tables and barbecue grills, so you can have a meal by the water. There are also plenty of lifeguards on duty to ensure the safety of all guests, so you can relax and enjoy your day knowing that your kids are in good hands. Number 1. Visit Villa d'Este. One of the most impressive sights in Lake Como is the magnificent Villa d'Este, a lavish lakeside palace that was once home to the aristocratic Medici family. The villa dates back to the 16th century and was designed by the famous architect Andrea Palladio. It boasts stunning Renaissance architecture and is surrounded by beautiful gardens and terraces overlooking the lake. The villa also houses a famous art collection, including works by Raphael, Titian, and Veronese. Visitors can take a tour of the villa and its grounds, or attend one of the many events and concerts that are held here throughout the year. Don't miss the opportunity to explore this stunning landmark when you visit Lake Como. Thanks for watching. Which places from our list would you like to visit? Let us know in the comments.